Today, we are going to learn alphabets with animals. Letter T. Do you know what animal begins with the letter T? Can you guess? It's a tiger. T is for tiger. Tiger is spelled T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T is for tiger. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content in this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks again, and see you next time.